Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you a simple and a quick black pepper chicken masala gravy. I hope you find this video helpful. So let's begin. Into a mixer jar, add 1 tomato, 2 onions, 1 green chilli, a handful of fresh coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon peppercorns, and 1/4 cup water. Now grind this till smooth. Our ground masala is ready. Let me show you. This is how the texture of the masala should be, not too watery nor too thick. Keep this aside until required. Next, into a mixing bowl, add 300 to 400 grams of chicken pieces, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon vinegar. Give this a good mix. Once mixed well, keep this aside until required. Next, into a pressure cooker, add 2.5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the whole spices. Here I have taken 1 cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, 2 cardamom pods and 3 cloves. Add them into the oil. 1 roughly chopped onion. Fry the onion till it turns dark brown in color. Once the onion is turned dark brown, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry the ginger garlic paste till its raw smell fades away. Once done, add the ground masala and fry it for 2 minutes on low to medium flame. Now add the marinated chicken pieces and mix well with the masala so that they are coated well. Rinse 1/4 cup of water in the jar and add it to the cooker. Salt to taste. Give a good mix. Now cover the lid and pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Open the lid once the pressure from the cooker has released. And now you can see the oil has all come to the surface. Give a good mix. You can see the chicken is cooked well. The masala is also cooked well. And the gravy is of the perfect consistency. So let's dish this out. Serve this hot with plain rice, ghee rice, khichdi, or with appam, idiyappam, paratha, roti, neer dosa, idlis. I hope you found this video helpful. Do give this recipe a try and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below this video. Do subscribe to my channel to meet us again for more delicious uploads. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye-bye.